Hi, this is Aditya from Mockat, and today we are sharing the news for 13th January, continuing the series to help you prepare for WAT and PI to get you into IIMs and top B schools. The actual news articles from which we have taken these key points are listed out at our daily news section in our website. The link for our website is given below. Today's 5 news headlines are: Twin blows as industrial output down, inflation up. Tata Consumer signs deal to buy out capital floods for Rs 5,100 crore enterprise value. Xiaomi files appeal against ED's seizure of Rs 5,551.27 crore. How China wants to sway Taiwan's election. India to have 100 million affluent citizen by 2027, claims report. Twin blows as industrial output down, inflation up. India's industrial output growth fell to a low of 2.4% in November 2023, the worst performance in over 2 years. The decline was driven by weak performance in the manufacturing sector, which grew by just 0.1%. Of the 23 manufacturing segments, only 6 grew in November. Notable segments were coke and refined petroleum products, transport equipment, and motor vehicles. Food inflation was a major driver of overall inflation, spiking to 9.53% in December. Despite the rise in inflation, the Reserve Bank is unlikely to raise interest rates in the near term. Tata Consumer signs deals to buy out capital floods for Rs 5,100 crore enterprise value. Tata Consumer Products has signed an agreement to acquire packaged foods maker Capital Foods at an enterprise value of Rs 5,100 crore. Tata Consumer plans to complete the acquisition of 75% stake by March 31st, subject to fulfillment of terms and conditions. Capital Foods has a strong portfolio of unique products for in-home consumption in fast-growing categories under the Ching's Secret and Smith& Jones brand. This acquisition will enable Tata consumers to expand its product portfolio and further strengthen its pantry platform. Xiaomi files appeal against ED's seizure of Rs 5,551.27 crore. The Enforcement Directorate had in 2022 ordered the seizure of Rs 5,551.27 crore in the accounts of Xiaomi for violating FEMA rules and transferring money in the guise of royalty to three companies outside India. The company approached the High Court against this order, and the High Court ordered it to approach the competent authority under FEMA. The competent authority upheld the seizure. Xiaomi then approached the HC again. The counsel for the company argued that the seizure was unnecessary and under Section 37A of FEMA, even the necessity of suspicion is not required. How China wants to sway Taiwan's election. China wants to influence the outcome of Taiwan's upcoming presidential election. They prefer the KMT candidate Hu Yu to win over the DPP candidate Lai Ching-te, who is seen as more pro-independence. China has used various tactics to interfere in the election, including disinformation campaigns and cyber attacks. They have also threatened Taiwan with military action and economic boycotts if the DPP candidate wins. Taiwan is concerned about China's growing military activity near the island. This has heightened tensions between the two countries and raised fears of a potential conflict. The election is seen as a crucial test of Taiwan's democracy. A DPP victory would be a major setback for China's efforts to control Taiwan. The outcome of the election could have significant implication for the wider region. An increase in cross-strait tension could destabilize the Asia Pacific. India to have 100 million affluent citizens by 2027, claims report. India's economy is expected to become the third largest in the world by 2027. This growth is being driven by a rising middle class and a growing number of affluent citizens. The spending power of India's top earners has increased significantly in the past decade. Goldman Sachs predicts India will have 100 million affluent citizens by 2027, up from 60 million currently. This rapid growth is attributed to strong economic performance, stable monetary policy, and high credit access. We will be putting up more videos for colleges with various percentiles, VAT and personal interview, B school deadlines, and much more content on our YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. Do like the video if you found it helpful. Thank you and good luck.